Hi everybody, a very good afternoon. How you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani. Hi, I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Hope you're doing well and great, and I hope everybody had a great weekend. I would like to thank everybody for their warm wishes and for taking out the time and the thoughtful gesture for sending me all these wishes on the occasion of my birthday. I'm like, it's taken me more than one day to kind of reply to most of them because I have so many messages coming in. So thank you so much for all your wishes and everything. I wanted to personally thank through this video because I can't reach everybody, and there's so many of those in my Facebook junk as well. But I'm not very regular on Facebook personal messages and stuff. So here's a big thank you from me. And as I shared, I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions as such. And it's a Monday. It's a great start. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Yesterday being a birthday was a fantastic thing. I spent my time with my family members in one of my favorite places, a mall, shopping, eating, catching up with all my friends and everything. And of course, I spent some time offline thinking about what next because it's going to be a new week. And as I lay in my bed last night, I was wondering what am I going to do when I get up and I'm going to be kind of facing the world with new energy and after having rested on a Monday, which is today. And as I do that, I'm doing one of my favorite stuff, which is reading a book. And after not being on social media yesterday, I had a few realizations, which I'm sure everybody has, that when you're off Facebook and when you're off social media, you're more connected to the world and stuff. You're able to kind of talk to people more. You're more in tune with the stuff around you and stuff. Of course, you're tempted to be going online and checking your messages every now and then. But I think it takes a little bit of discipline and it takes willpower to kind of stay offline and kind of address and absorb the emotions and absorb the creativity, absorb the busyness of life, as they say, the creativity around the beautiful relationships we have, the amazing retail atmosphere we all have. There's no war here, there's no politics here, there are no killings here, there's no religion debates or discussions happening. So there's nothing nasty, there's nothing unpleasantness, there's no unpleasantness, and there is no fighting and stuff like that happening many times in the real world, which I really realized yesterday. Because I repeat that to remind people that you don't have to be following everybody online, who's kind of not making you feel that good on TV and stuff. So now coming to the main point, what is the objective of sharing this video? So it is about people who are kind of setting out to do goals and stuff which they've not been doing. So on 14th of June was my grandfather's birthday, so I dedicated the day to him. And I was a part of an international forum, a thought share, which was at the India American Center at Delhi. So we were invited as leaders, entrepreneurs, achievers, as business heads, as environmentalists, or people standing up for causes. There were children, there were personalities there, and we were asked to do a mind share, kind of contributing to the persistent issue of climate and stuff like that. So it was such an honor to be sharing our thoughts, and it was a greatly and well organized event and stuff. So when I came back and I looked at this forum that I was in, I realized that you can't do stuff alone. And that's what one of my favorite books is also talking, which I would like to again share. Video 2 would be a better idea, I guess, because it's about a 4-minute thing now. Yeah, so please follow me on video 2.